What it does. Docker security refers to the practices and techniques used to protect Docker containers, images, and hosts from unauthorized access, malicious activities, and other security threats.
Securing containers using non-root users, read-only file systems, Docker bench security, and image scanning are essential measures to ensure the security and integrity of your Docker environment. Securing containers using non-root users. Command/example. Breaking it down. In this example, we create a new user and group, then use the user instruction in the Docker file to switch to the new user. This ensures that the container runs as a non-root user, reducing the attack surface. Common mistakes. A common mistake is to forget to create the new user and group in the Docker file, or to not switch to the new user using the user instruction. Try this next. Try creating a new Docker file that uses a non-root user and test it by running a container from the image. Pro tip: use a consistent naming convention for your users and groups across all your containers to simplify management and auditing. Securing containers using read-only file systems. Command/example. Breaking it down. In this example, we use the chmod command to set the file system to read-only, then use the read-only flag when running the container to ensure that the file system is mounted as read-only. Common mistakes. A common mistake is to forget to set the file system to read-only, or to not use the read-only flag when running the container. Try this next. Try creating a new Docker file that sets the file system to read-only and test it by running a container from the image. Pro tip: use a combination of read-only file systems and non-root users to further reduce the attack surface of your containers. Docker bench security. Command/example. Breaking it down. In this example, we run the Docker bench security tool, which checks the Docker environment for security vulnerabilities and provides recommendations for remediation. Common mistakes. A common mistake is to not run Docker bench security regularly, or to not address the security vulnerabilities identified by the tool. Try this next. Try running Docker bench security and addressing the security vulnerabilities identified by the tool. Pro tip: use Docker bench security as part of your regular security auditing and compliance processes to ensure the security and integrity of your Docker environment. Image scanning. Command/example. Breaking it down. In this example, we use Docker scan and tryv to scan an image for vulnerabilities, such as known security vulnerabilities in dependencies. Common mistakes. A common mistake is to not scan images for vulnerabilities regularly, or to not address the vulnerabilities identified by the tool. Try this next. Try using Docker scan and tryv to scan your images for vulnerabilities and address the vulnerabilities identified by the tool. Pro tip: use image scanning as part of your CI/CD pipeline to ensure that your images are free from known security vulnerabilities before they are deployed to production.